1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6. I've been having a no start issue. The world's over, but it won't fire. Changed the distributor, changed the crankcase sensing positioner, and put a Delphi fuel pump in the gas tank. But now I've decided this is my old ECM. And this is one that I ordered from Solus Auto Electronics. They do want a core back. And this here, I can tell it's not new because it had where this one here holds the positive cable right here with that. So it's all painted up, it looks nice. Got on here, software update. So let's put this in there and see if it makes a difference.